Hello, everyone. I noticed my little owl alarm clock wasn't working. I tried putting in a battery, but it still wouldn't tick. It seemed like the power wasn't quite there. A loose battery could also be the reason the alarm clock isn't working. I have a new AA battery. I'll try putting it in the alarm clock. The alarm clock starts working immediately. The main reason is that the battery is dead. To confirm my suspicions, I'm grabbing my trusty multimeter. I'll set it to measure voltage and test these batteries. Let's check the first battery. It reads a healthy 1.59 volts, which is exactly what we want. I quickly marked it to avoid confusion. I used a marker to write a V for the battery with good voltage. And look at that, it's only showing around 0.18 or 0.19 volts. That's practically dead, which explains why our clock wasn't working. With this depleted battery, I mark it with an X. So we have a good battery and a dead one. The challenge now is to bring this dead battery back to life. You might think it's impossible, but I have an idea. It's time for some battery magic. I'm carefully using a utility knife to remove the outer casing from the ends of the dead battery. I'm doing this to expose the metal terminals underneath, which are often corroded. A little WD-40 helps in cleaning the ends, which is crucial for making good electrical contact later. I'm taking some sandpaper and thoroughly sanding both ends of the battery. I'm doing this to remove any remaining oxidation or grime and to slightly roughen the surface. This will ensure much better electrical conductivity and allow for a stronger connection when we try to charge it. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After sanding, I'm wiping down the battery ends with a clean paper. This removes any dust or residue, leaving a pristine surface ready for our next steps. Now for the charging setup. I'm taking an old USB charging cable and an adapter. It's important to use an adapter with a low voltage output, typically 5 volts, to safely recharge the battery without damaging it. This specific adapter works perfectly for this project. I'm stripping the outer insulation from the USB cable to expose the inner wires. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm connecting the red wire from the USB cable to the positive end of our dead battery. I'm securing it tightly with red electrical tape to ensure a solid electrical connection and prevent any shorts or accidental disconnections. Good insulation is key for safety here. Similarly, I'm connecting the black wire from the USB cable to the negative end of the battery. I'm using black electrical tape to keep it secure and properly insulated. Maintaining correct polarity is essential for successful charging. I'm wrapping more black electrical tape around the entire wired connection on the battery. This provides additional insulation and stability, making the whole setup safer and more robust for charging. This prevents any accidental contact or short circuits during the process. I connected the modified USB charging cable to the USB adapters port, then connected it to a power plug. The battery recharging process will begin. After letting it charge for a while, I'm now carefully disconnecting the USB cable from the adapter and then unwrapping the electrical tape from our now recharged battery. You can already feel the difference. It feels like it has some life back in it. Time for the final test. I'm using the multimeter again to check the voltage of our revived battery. And there it is, a healthy 1.40 to 1.47 volts. From near zero to almost a full charge, this little trick truly worked. It's fantastic to see it successfully brought back. I'm placing our successfully recharged battery back into the owl alarm clock. And just like that, our alarm clock is ticking again. This DIY project proves that with a little creativity and effort, you can fix things you thought were broken and give them a second chance. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.